Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the image and confirming resolution and color mode. This matters because text rendering depends on pixels and color profile. Next, pick the Type tool and choose a font and size that suit the composition: serif for formal, sans for modern. Click to create a new text layer, type your copy. Once typed, use Free Transform, Ctrl or CMD+T to position and scale quickly. Make sure layers are unlocked, because locked backgrounds prevent precise placement. Now you refine the appearance. Open layer styles and add drop shadow or stroke to separate text from the background. Tweak distance, size, and opacity so it reads at small sizes. If you need curved text, create a path with the pen tool and use type on a path. Avoid rasterizing until you're certain. For subtle integration, change the text layer's blending mode to overlay or soft light and reduce opacity to match lighting. This is where readability meets design, so test at actual size. Finish by converting the text layer to a smart object. This preserves editability while letting you apply transforms and filters without losing clarity. When ready to save, use Export As and pick PNG for transparency or JPEG for photos, and set quality to avoid compression artifacts. If your text appears jagged, make sure anti-aliasing is on and consider increasing the document resolution, because pixel density determines crispness. If something goes wrong, return to the type layer. You can always adjust font, size, or effects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.